Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to use Threads Instagram. First of all, go to your App Store or Play Store and download the Threads app. Just search for Threads by Instagram and install it on your phone. It only takes a few seconds, so once it's installed, you're ready to move ahead. Now open the Threads app from your home screen. As soon as it opens, you might notice that it asks you to log in. Don't worry, this part is very simple because Threads is directly connected with Instagram. Here, tap on Login with Instagram. This will automatically connect your Instagram account to Threads. So you don't need to create anything new. It just uses your existing profile, which honestly makes things super. Once you're logged in, your main screen will open. From here, go to the bottom right and tap on the profile icon. This is where you can customize your account and make it look exactly how you want. Now, set up your profile by tapping on Edit Profile. You can add your bio, profile picture, and other details here. It's important because this is what people will see when they visit your account, so make it look good. After setting up your profile, go to the bottom middle and tap on the plus icon. This is where you create your posts. It's very similar to Instagram, so you'll feel familiar using it. Now you can write anything you want in your post. You can also add photos from your gallery or explore different options available on the screen. So whether it's text, images, or ideas, everything can be shared here easily. Finally, once everything looks good, just tap on the post button. Your content will be shared on Threads, and it can also connect with your Instagram audience. And that's it. You've successfully used Threads? So yeah, that's how you can use Threads Instagram step by step. It's simple, fast, and honestly a fun way to share your thoughts. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment if you want more tutorials like this.